Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord key battery. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a replacement CR2032 battery. Remove the mechanical key, then pry open the fob seam gently. Note the battery orientation and take a clear photo if needed. Replace the old battery with the new CR2032, ensuring proper contact and alignment of terminals. Snap the case shut and test the remote button. Begin by pressing the mechanical key release and pulling the key out of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently separate the two halves along the seam without forcing them. Remove the old battery and note the plus side orientation before installation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity and press the case halves together until they click. Test the remote functions and reinsert the mechanical key into its slot. If your remote does not respond after replacing the battery, first recheck the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean and making contact. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean any residue or corrosion from the contact surfaces. If the fob still fails, try a known good battery to rule out defects. For persistent issues, consider visiting a dealer or an automotive locksmith who can diagnose transponder or programming faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.